everyone and welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today we're looking into LastPass, a full-featured password manager designed to safeguard your most sensitive data. It has all the requirements for an excellent password management experience: encrypted vaults, forms for saving different types of credentials, autofill, custom categories, and a password generator. Additionally, making this password manager even more appealing, the company offers discounts and even a free version. Stay with us as we cover everything about LastPass's features, pricing, and promotions. For a more detailed look at LastPass, please visit our website at bestreviews.net and read our extended review. Now over to you, Saskia.
Just like most password managers, LastPass is easy to set up and doesn't take much of your time. It's simple. You choose a plan, create an account with an email and master password, and voila, you're in your personal private vault. From there, you can import existing credentials from popular browsers and password managers, or even manually with a CSV file. LastPass has transitioned from a solely web-based service to offering native apps for Windows, macOS, and Linux, all with a user-friendly interface. In addition, it has extensions for popular browsers like Firefox, Chrome, and Safari, which are crucial for the save and autofill to work properly. It works flawlessly, saving a significant amount of time when logging into accounts. LastPass is a powerful and intuitive password manager that provides quick access to credentials like passwords, notes, addresses, payment cards, and bank details. These are organized by category, which you can easily switch between in this password manager's handy sidebar. To help you stay organized, LastPass allows you to move credentials between folders, delete them, mark favorites, and even share them via email. Fortunately, all these actions can be done in bulk, making it more straightforward to manage multiple passwords at once. Creating new credentials is effortless. You can select a category from the sidebar or use the All Items tab, which has forms for other specific credential types like health insurance, software license, driver's license, and social security numbers. Don't sweat it. If none of these forms apply to your credential, you can create and customize your own. We also like that when adding passwords for sites like Facebook or Instagram, LastPass automatically includes their logos, making them easier to find. For people with extensive credential lists, LastPass offers the Identities feature. It allows you to separate credentials into subvaults, so it's straightforward to switch between different purposes like work and personal. Additionally, these users will find LastPass's 1 GB of encrypted storage very helpful for backing up important documents. Sharing is also a straightforward process, thanks to LastPass's Sharing Center, which lets you securely share credentials or folders with multiple people via email. LastPass has been hard at work making some big changes to beef up its security. The company expanded customer data encryption, moved to AES GCM 256 encryption, cranked up the security for master passwords, improved multi-factor authentication, and rolled out a new endpoint detection and response service. Of course, there's no 100% foolproof service, but this should at least give you some peace of mind. Plus, the company scored an ISO 27701 certification after an external audit showing they're compliant with the highest modern standards of security. LastPass also allows you to authorize a trusted person to access your account for a limited time in an emergency. Additionally, LastPass's security dashboard shows your security score and provides a summary of your credentials, highlighting weak passwords that you can easily improve. For a complete password management experience, LastPass includes dark web monitoring, passwordless logins through its Authenticator app, one-time passwords, a password generator, and a username generator to maximize your privacy. LastPass has a simple pricing system. The more you pay, the more features you unlock. If you just need the basics, the free version is a solid choice with essential premium features, but it's limited to one user and device. Those willing to pay can opt for the premium plan, which is for one user and includes unlimited devices, advanced sharing, emergency access, and 1 GB of cloud storage. The family plan is the same price but supports up to 6 users and includes a family management dashboard, making it ideal for households or even a small startup. Alternatively, small businesses can sign up for the Teams plan with support for up to 50 users, including handy admin controls. Larger organizations can opt for a dedicated plan with unlimited users and even more features like customer user management and advanced organization. Also, a heads up, keep an eye out for LastPass's deals as the company offers seasonal discounts and free trials for all plans with no credit card needed. For payments, LastPass accepts all the major credit and debit cards. LastPass offers all kinds of customer support resources, like support articles, a community forum, a 24/7 chatbot, plus phone and email support. Unfortunately, those subscribed to the free plan only get access to articles in the community, which means there's no way to get help from a real person. So, if you hit a snag, you're stuck dealing with FAQs, a chatbot, or trying to navigate the community for answers, which is actually your best option in this case. LastPass is active on Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn and YouTube, but we had no luck getting help via these channels.
Thank you, Saskia. LastPass is definitely worth considering for those seeking a reliable password management solution. It's available for the most popular devices, offering a password security dashboard, saving and autofill, dark web monitoring, and even a no strings attached free version. Unfortunately, LastPass downsides are mostly associated with its free version, which doesn't let you contact customer support directly and limits its usage to one device. Considering the company's efforts to enhance its security architecture, the advantages and disadvantages, and the subscription options available, we believe LastPass is especially suitable for families. Find out more about LastPass's features, pricing and promotions by checking out our review linked in the description below. Thanks for staying with us and see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!